Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Helen. I know that travel bug hitting hard, right? That itch to just get out there, explore the world, see new things, but then you look at your bank account and you're like, nah, not today. But hold up, don't cancel those flights just yet. We're about to break down 15 incredible backpacking destinations that won't break the bank. We're talking stunning views, crazy adventures, delicious food, all without selling your kidney. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this adventure started. First up, we're jetting off to Thailand, the OG backpacker's paradise. Think about it. Picture perfect beaches, crazy markets with deals so good you'll think they're giving stuff away. And street food, oh man, the street food, pad thai, mango sticky rice, you name it, it's delicious and it's dirt cheap. I'm talking like a couple of bucks for a feast. Hit up Koh Tao for some epic diving, or chill out in Chiang Mai, soak up those temple vibes, maybe even learn to cook some of that amazing food. Thailand's got something for everyone. Next stop, Vietnam. This country is like a sensory overload in the best way possible. We're talking jaw-dropping landscapes like Ha Long Bay, those iconic limestone islands rising out of the water. It's like something straight out of Avatar. Then you got Sapa with its rice terraces carved into the mountains. It's like a scene from National Geographic. And let's not forget the food, people. Pho, banh mi, my mouth's watering just thinking about it. And the best part? Vietnam's super easy on the wallet. You can hop on a sleeper bus and travel across the country for like $5. All right, adventure junkies, this one's for you. Peru. We're talking trekking the Inca Trail to Machu Picchu, that ancient Incan city perched high in the Andes. It's like stepping back in time. Then you got Cusco, the gateway to the Sacred Valley. With its cobblestone streets and colonial architecture, it's like a history book come to life. And if you're feeling really adventurous, check out Rainbow Mountain. This geological marvel with its stripes of color, it's like something out of a Dr. Seuss book. And the best part? Peru is surprisingly affordable. You can find hostels for like $10 a night, and meals won't set you back much more. So pack your hiking boots and get ready for an adventure you'll never forget. Let's talk Indonesia, the land of 1,000 islands, literally. We're talking Bali, the island of gods, with its beaches, its temples, its yoga retreats, its party scene. It's got something for everyone. But don't sleep on the other islands, man. Java, Sumatra, Lombok, they're all bursting with natural beauty, from volcanoes to rainforests to hidden waterfalls. And the best way to get around? Rent a scooter. It's cheap, it's fun, it's the ultimate freedom. You can find scooters for like $5 a day. Just be careful, those roads can be a little crazy. But hey, that's part of the adventure, right? Now let's switch gears and head over to Georgia, the country, not the state. This place is like the hidden gem of the Caucasus Mountains. We're talking stunning scenery, snow-capped peaks, lush valleys. It's like a postcard come to life. And the food? Oh man, the food. Dumplings called khinkali, cheesy bread called khachapuri. It's like a carb lover's dream. And the best part? Georgia is incredibly affordable. Let's head south of the border to Mexico, a country that needs no introduction. We're talking ancient ruins like Chichen Itza, that iconic Mayan pyramid. It's like stepping back in time. Then you got Oaxaca, the culinary capital of Mexico, with its vibrant markets and its mole sauces. It's a food lover's paradise. And let's not forget the beaches, Cancun, Tulum, Playa del Carmen. The list goes on and on. And the best part? Mexico is incredibly affordable, especially if you eat like a local. Calling all trekkers, calling all nature lovers, Nepal is calling your name. This country is home to the Himalayas, the highest mountains in the world, including Mount Everest, the big daddy of them all. But you don't have to be an experienced climber to enjoy Nepal's beauty. There are treks for all levels, from the Annapurna Circuit with its stunning mountain views to Everest Base Camp, where you can stand at the foot of the world's highest peak. And the best part? Nepal is surprisingly affordable, even in the mountains. Now, let's head over to Europe, where Portugal awaits. This country is quickly becoming a backpacker's favorite, and for good reason. We're talking sunny beaches in the Algarve, charming cities like Lisbon and Porto, with their colorful buildings and their laid-back vibes. And let's not forget the wine, people. Port wine, Vinho Verde, you can find amazing wines for like $3 a glass. And the best part? Portugal is surprisingly affordable, especially compared to its European neighbors. You can easily find hostels for under 20 bucks a night, and meals won't set you back much more. So pack your bags and get ready to experience Europe without breaking the bank. Next up, we're traveling to Cambodia, a country with a rich history and a vibrant culture. We're talking Angkor Wat, the largest religious monument in the world. It's like stepping back in time to the Khmer Empire. And then you got the beaches, like Koh Rong, with its white sand and its turquoise waters. It's like a scene from a postcard. And let's not forget the food, people. Fish amok, lok lok, it's a flavor explosion. And the best part, Cambodia is incredibly affordable. You can find street food for like $1 a plate and hostels for even less. All right, let's talk Sri Lanka, the teardrop-shaped island off the coast of India. This country is like a microcosm of all the best things Asia has to offer. We're talking lush tea plantations in the hill country, ancient ruins like Sigiriya, that iconic rock fortress. It's like something out of an Indiana Jones movie. And then you got the beaches, miles and miles of golden sand and crystal clear waters. It's a beach bum's paradise. And the best part, Sri Lanka is incredibly affordable, especially if you take the train. Now let's head back to Europe, where Hungary awaits. This landlocked country is a hidden gem, especially its capital city, Budapest. We're talking stunning architecture, like the Hungarian Parliament building, that iconic building on the banks of the Danube River. It's like something out of a fairy tale. Then you got the thermal baths, those naturally heated pools. It's like a spa day, but way cheaper. And the best part? Budapest is surprisingly affordable, especially compared to other European capitals. You can find hostels for under 10 bucks a night, and meals won't set you back much more. All right, let's talk Turkey, the country that straddles two continents, Europe and Asia. This place is a melting pot of cultures, with a rich history and stunning scenery. We're talking Istanbul, the city that never sleeps, with its bustling bazaars, its stunning mosques like the Hagia Sophia. It's like stepping back in time to the Ottoman Empire. And then you got Cappadocia, with its fairy chimneys, those bizarre rock formations. It's like something out of a dream. And the best part, Turkey is surprisingly affordable, especially if you eat like a local. Now let's head to South America, where Bolivia awaits. This landlocked country is home to the Andes Mountains, the world's largest salt flat, and the Amazon rainforest. It's like 3 countries rolled into one. We're talking Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat. It's like walking on another planet. Then you got La Paz, the highest capital city in the world, with its bustling markets and its stunning views. It's like a city in the clouds. And the best part? Bolivia is one of the most affordable countries in South America. All right, let's talk Philippines, the archipelago of over 7,000 islands. It's like a beach lover's dream come true. We're talking Palawan, with its underground river, its stunning lagoons. It's like something out of National Geographic. Then you got Cebu with its waterfalls, its canyons, its whale sharks. It's like an adventure playground. And let's not forget the food, people. Adobo lechon sinigang, it's a flavor explosion. And the best part? The Philippines is incredibly affordable. So pack your swimsuit and get ready for some island hopping. Last but not least, we're heading to Morocco, the country that's like stepping into a storybook. We're talking Marrakesh, the Red City, with its bustling souks, its stunning ryads. It's like a sensory overload in the best way possible. Then you got the Sahara Desert with its sand dunes, its camel treks, its stargazing. It's like another world. And let's not forget Chefchaouen, the Blue Pearl with its blue-washed buildings. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. And the best part? Morocco is surprisingly affordable, especially if you eat like a local. So there you have it, folks. 15 ultimate backpacking destinations that won't break the bank. Which one are you most hyped about? Let me know in the comments. I'm always down to hear about your travel plans. And hey, if you found this video helpful, do me a solid and smash that like button. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more travel tips, destination guides, and budget-friendly adventures. Let's get out there, explore the world, and make some memories without emptying our wallets. Peace out.